A decision hailed by human rights groups. A Paris appeals court confirmed that charges of complicity in crimes against humanity should be upheld against Lafarge, the first French company to face such charges. In early 2012, the Syrian conflict intensified in the country's north and many French factories decided to close. But not Lafarge, which wanted to keep its cement factory up and running. Aware of the danger, the French company established contact with several armed organizations operating in the region, including the Islamic State group. Prosecutors accuse Lafarge of funneling at least 13 million euros to jihadist fighters in exchange for the free movement of its personnel and equipment. Uncovered in the summer of 2016 by a group of journalists, the investigation sparked a major scandal. Later that same year, the French Economy Ministry launched a preliminary investigation of the company. In April 2017, the scandal forced the resignation of CEO Eric Olsen. And 2 months later, the Paris public prosecutor launched a probe into Lafarge under suspicion that it financed terrorism. 8 executives were placed under investigation. A year later, Lafarge was indicted on multiple charges, including complicity in crimes against humanity, financing terrorism, endangering the lives of others, and violating a trade embargo. The company appealed the charges and partly succeeded. In late 2019, the Paris Court of Appeals dropped the most serious charge of crimes against humanity, but upheld the other indictments. The annulment was appealed in turn by 2 non-profits. Lafarge has acknowledged that it paid middlemen to negotiate with armed groups, but claims it was in the dark about any connection those groups may have had to terrorism. In 2021, the highest court in France invalidated the decision to cancel the charges of complicity in crimes against humanity. Today, the debate has once again returned to the forefront. A Paris appeals court confirmed Lafarge must face the most serious charges. The cement giant, which became Holcim after its merger in 2015 with the Swiss group, disputes the accusations and is readying to appeal their case once more.